Number 1. Prioritize experiences over material goods. Instead of chasing after the latest gadgets or trendy fashion items, prioritize moments that create lasting memories. Whether it's traveling to new destinations, enjoying a delicious meal with loved ones, or simply spending quality time outdoors, these experiences hold far more value than any material possession ever could. When we prioritize experiences, we invest in our own well-being and fulfillment. Experiences not only bring us joy in the present moment, but also contribute to our overall sense of happiness and satisfaction. Unlike material goods that may lose their appeal over time, the memories created through experiences remain etched in our minds, enriching our lives for years to come. Number 2. Set clear boundaries for possessions. Clutter can easily accumulate when we lack clear boundaries for our possessions. Setting boundaries involves defining what items are essential to our lives and happiness, and consciously choosing to limit the influx of unnecessary belongings. Whether it's establishing a numerical limit on the number of clothing items or designating specific areas for storage, clear boundaries help us maintain a clutter-free environment. By setting boundaries, we become more intentional about what we bring into our space, ensuring that each item serves a purpose and adds value to our lives. This practice not only prevents clutter from overwhelming our homes, but also promotes mindfulness and simplicity in our daily lives. When we know our limits, we can make more informed decisions about what to keep and what to let go of, leading to a more organized and harmonious living space. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and type "I am a minimalist" in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to participate in future giveaways. Number 3. Embrace empty spaces at home. Empty spaces in our homes often evoke a sense of calm and serenity, serving as visual reminders of the beauty of simplicity. Instead of feeling compelled to fill every corner with furniture or decorative items, embrace the openness and freedom that empty spaces offer. Allow these areas to breathe, creating a sense of balance and tranquility in your living environment. When we embrace empty spaces, we create room for creativity and inspiration to flourish. Blank walls and uncluttered surfaces provide a blank canvas for our imaginations, inviting us to reimagine our living spaces in new and exciting ways. Embracing empty spaces encourages us to think outside the box and infuse our homes with personal style. Number 4. Start a gratitude journal for contentment. In the hustle and bustle of modern life, it's easy to overlook the many blessings that surround us each day. Starting a gratitude journal is a simple yet powerful way to cultivate a sense of contentment and appreciation for the abundance in our lives. Take a few moments each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for, whether it's a warm cup of coffee in the morning or a heartfelt conversation with a friend. Keeping a gratitude journal helps shift our focus from what we lack to what we have, fostering a mindset of abundance and positivity. Even on the toughest days, finding moments of gratitude can provide solace and perspective, reminding us of the beauty and resilience of the human spirit. Number 5. Seek consistent minimalist inspiration. Staying inspired on the minimalist journey is key to maintaining focus and motivation. Surround yourself with sources of inspiration that align with your minimalist values, whether it's books, podcasts, or online communities. Seek out individuals who share their own experiences and insights into minimalist living, drawing inspiration from their stories and wisdom. Consistency is key when it comes to seeking minimalist inspiration. Make it a habit to expose yourself to uplifting and informative content regularly, whether it's dedicating time each day to reading articles or listening to podcasts during your commute. By immersing yourself in the minimalist mindset on a consistent basis, you'll reinforce your commitment to living with intention and simplicity. Congratulations! You've made it halfway through the video, and we're thrilled to have you here with us. So we have a special surprise for you, which is the Millionaire Mindset ebook, Your Key to Wealth Creation. Grab your free copy by clicking the link below. Number 6. Reflect regularly on minimalism's benefits. Taking time to reflect on the benefits of minimalism can strengthen your commitment to the lifestyle and remind you of why you embarked on this journey in the first place. Set aside moments for introspection and contemplation, considering how minimalism has positively impacted various aspects of your life. Reflecting on minimalism's benefits can help you stay motivated during challenging times and reinforce your sense of purpose. Whether it's experiencing greater clarity and focus or enjoying more freedom and fulfillment. Number 7. Adopt clutter-free daily habits. Creating clutter-free daily habits is essential for maintaining a minimalist lifestyle and ensuring that your environment remains organized and harmonious. Incorporate simple practices into your daily routine, such as tidying up after yourself, putting items back in their designated places, and avoiding unnecessary purchases. By adopting clutter-free habits, you'll prevent the accumulation of unnecessary belongings and maintain a sense of order and cleanliness in your home. Make it a habit to declutter regularly, whether it's sorting through your wardrobe or clearing out paperwork and miscellaneous items. By staying proactive in managing clutter, you'll avoid feeling overwhelmed by mess and chaos. Number 8. Overcome consumerism with specific ideas. Consumerism can often lead to mindless accumulation and dissatisfaction, but it's possible to overcome its grip by implementing specific strategies and ideas. Challenge yourself to adopt a more minimalist mindset by questioning the necessity of each purchase and focusing on experiences rather than material possessions. One effective strategy is to implement a 48-hour rule for non-essential purchases, giving yourself time to reflect on whether you truly need the item before making a decision. Additionally, critically evaluate the advertisements you encounter, identifying the underlying needs they're attempting to fulfill and whether those needs align with your values. Number 9. Experiment with living with less. Embracing minimalism is an ongoing journey, and one way to deepen your commitment is by experimenting with living with less. Challenge yourself to simplify your surroundings by temporarily removing certain items or categories of possessions from your home. This could involve living without a specific gadget or clothing item for a set period, allowing you to reassess its true importance in your life. Experimenting with living with less not only helps you identify the essentials, but also encourages creativity and resourcefulness. As you navigate the challenges of living with fewer possessions, you'll discover innovative solutions and alternative ways of meeting your needs. This process of experimentation fosters a deeper understanding of what truly matters and empowers you to make intentional choices about what to keep in your life. Number 10. Declutter continuously to prevent accumulation. Decluttering is not a one-time event, but rather an ongoing process that requires consistent effort and vigilance. Make it a habit to declutter regularly, tackling different areas of your home one at a time to prevent clutter from accumulating. Set aside dedicated time each week or month to assess your belongings and identify items that no longer serve a purpose or bring you joy. Continuously decluttering helps you maintain a clutter-free environment and ensures that your possessions remain aligned with your values and priorities. As you let go of unnecessary items, you create space for new experiences and opportunities to enter your life, fostering a sense of freedom and openness. There you have it, 10 practical tips for maintaining minimalism in your life. Do you want to know the best and smartest minimalism tips and tricks? If yes, click on the playlist shown here. For more valuable content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.